This is a 99, but you got a 99 or this generation of Chevy truck, and your lights, when you have them on, your daytime running lights or nighttime running lights, and they won't cut off. Just pull your little dash, top of your little dash off right here. Not no big deal. Just go around, get some 7mm around here, and 2 Phillips on the side, and of course pull your arm off here. That's just 2 little white. Pull your vents out, there's just 2 little white buttons to push up in there. And then once you get this, you're gonna come, I've already put the new one in, just kind of slide it down with you. And this is the new one here. You're gonna twist it off and pull it out the other one. This is the new one here, and then you're gonna push it right back in here. But replace that. This is the old one here. This is what they look like. It's a light sensor. Just telling the lights when it's daytime and nighttime. But anyway, that's a little quick tip. Replace that, and I will put the part number in the description. Thanks for watching.